Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Ege, and we're going to continue on the satellite project. And today I plan to do solar cells assignment. We're going to do the solar cells. In the previous assignment, on the previous video, I hope you created a chassis, mainframe, okay, to assemble the entire satellite on. And now we started thinking about the solar cells. One of the biggest items on a satellite is the solar cell. Energy has to come from somewhere. And you can have some electrical energy loaded on the ground on Earth, but after a while of use, okay, it's going to end. So we have to provide more energy. And there is a whole lot more sunshine and sun energy in space than there is on Earth. Okay, and so we're going to create the solar cells. And the solar cell, size of the solar cells I'm planning to create is 10 millimeters by 15 millimeters. But we're going to have 5 arrays of that, okay? And then it's going to be also, there's going to be a thickness, and hopefully it's going to be operating on a rotating system, okay? So you start your part drawing, and this is going to be Inventor part drawing in metric scale, as we did before. And make sure that your units are millimeters, and you know how to check this out. And then on the origin, you need to select a plane, XY plane, or YZ plane, or XZ plane. Either one of them will work. But let's go with the YZ plane. Okay, create this YZ plane, select the YZ plane on the browser on the left-hand side. Move your cursor over the center of the, and there's an icon appearing as soon as you select the YZ plane on the left browser, and create a sketch icon. Click on that. Okay, now you have the crosshairs. Crosshairs will show you the starting point, a healthy starting point. And first sketch is created already. First sketch is a rectangle, as usual, and we choose the rectangle. Okay, front side, front end, and it's going to be 15 millimeters up. 15. Press the tab key. 10 millimeters wide. Press enter key. Okay. All right. So turn the view cube so that you can see the extrusion. We're gonna extrude this. Which is okay, rectangle, two-way extrusion, and 2 millimeters. Okay, all right. So what is the material? Material probably coated, special coated glass, and I'm going to see if I can find, and perhaps not so clear. Maybe we should make it colored blue. There are a variety of different colors. Okay. Green, brown. There are multiple colors, and I suggest you to choose several of them. Okay. Before you make a decision, dark olive. No. Okay, so, but only one small cell, and then we're going to multiply this one. How many copies do we need? We need 5 rows and 5 columns of those. You choose the entire item, okay? And now we need array comment or multiple copy comment, okay? So rectangular array is not going to be circular array. And computer needs directions here. So direction number 1. perhaps in opposite direction. And then direction number 2, okay? And how many copies do we need? 5 this way, 5 this way. In the first direction, copies are supposed to be made 10. In the other direction, copies supposed to make 15. Okay, it's going to look like this when it is finished. And okay. Um, we filled the joint lines. We lost the joint lines. Maybe we should put the distance in between a little bit. Okay, this is perhaps far better. Okay. I put 1 millimeter. I increased the 1 millimeter. Okay, distance. Instead of 15, I made it 16. Instead of 10, I made it 11. Okay. Of course, you save your work. Solar cells. As soon as a extrusion is made, it's a good idea to save solar cells. Here at the edge, we need to select a special surface so that we can generate the hinge. Hinge is the very important part, okay, of the design. So I'm going to draw a hinge with the 4 millimeter. Diameter for enter. And then 2 millimeter diameter. Needs to be located, relocated. I will trim this end, use the trim command. Okay. All right, so I made three copies of this configuration. Okay, and it's gonna look like this when it's finished. This is the hinges, that's gonna fit to the other side. Okay. Materials, you can pick the materials. Now I'm going to copy the sketch from here for the opposite end. Okay. And I'm going to use the copy command. Maybe I should use Mirror command. Mirror will work better. Okay. Mirror line would have been, perhaps we should create a mirror line first. Okay, temporary mirror line, and okay. The thing is, I'm not going to use the entire copy, so I'm going to modify this. I will draw an arc with the 3-point arc. Okay. I will finish the sketch. And extrude. Okay, we're going to continue on the next video, okay? And please complete it up to this point, and thank you very much for your time.